Bonjour and welcome to French Action. I have already covered the French subjunctive in 3 videos, and today we will be looking at the subjunctive with conjunctions in French because we had done the subjunctive with il faut que, subjunctive with verbs of wishes, subjunctives with emotions, and now, why not, the subjunctive in French with conjunctions. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! You want to express the aim or the purpose? Why not use some conjunctions like pour que, afin que, de sorte que? And you have to remember to use the subjunctive. You may want to express the idea of condition. So you have on condition that, à condition que, or provided that, pourvu que. Example, il va réussir à son examen à condition qu'il fasse des efforts maintenant. He's going to pass his exam on condition that he makes some efforts now. Here an example of other conjunctions which are used a lot. Bien que or quoique, which means although. Sans que, without. Jusqu'à ce que, until. And when we say it very quickly is jusqu'à ce que. So examples, bien qu'il soit malade, il veut aller à la piscine. Although he's sick, he wants to go to the swimming pool. So as you can see, the subjunctive is just after bien que because it's a conjunction which requires the use of that tense. Let's look at some other conjunctions with ne. So here the ne is not the form of the negative. It's a ne which is called ne expletive. So it's basically explain a little bit and carry a negative meaning. But I put it in brackets because it's not compulsory. If it's a formal writing, I would advise you to put it, but you will hear in the spoken language, most of the time, it's not there. So, à moins que ne, unless, avant que ne, before, de peur que ne, out of fear that, de crainte que ne, out of fear that. So, de peur que or de crainte que is the same thing. Example, je veux sortir avec elle, mais j'ai peur qu'elle ne veuille pas. I want to go out with her, but I'm afraid or I fear that she will not want to. Let's practice. Here are the 3 sentences you will need to translate into French. Number 1, he applied for a scholarship in Canada so that his parents can save some money. Number 2, I will not be able to travel unless I apply for a new passport. And number 3, although he's making some progress, he will not get his driving license. Let's read the answers. Alors, number 1, il a fait une demande de bourse au Canada pour que ses parents puissent économiser. Puisse is the subjunctive of pouvoir. Numéro 2, je ne pourrai pas voyager à moins que je ne fasse une demande de passeport. Et numéro 3, bien qu'il fasse des progrès, il n'aura pas son permis de conduire. Donc, in both sentences, fasse is really the subjunctive of faire. Did you get that? Bravo if you did.